Good morning, children. Welcome back to the English class. Today we are discuss about the poem Mystery of the Talking Fan. So, in the introduction, is there a ceiling fan in the room where you are sitting now? So, is the poet was asking, is there a ceiling fan in your room? So, is the fan quiet or noisy? If it is noisy, you may be sure it is a distant relative of the talking fan in the poem which you are going to read. So, this poem beautifully captures the moment of the much familiar or non-living thing around us, that is fan. So, which in today's time are very essential part of our existence. So, we used fan. It is a very essential part of non-living thing. Okay. So, all we are using the fan. The poem discusses the sound made by the ceiling fan, comparing it to human chatter. So here chatter means unimportant talking. Okay, unimportant talking between people. So through unknown and incomprehensible. So here the poet comparing the sound of the fan to the talking of human beings. So now let us read the poem and then explain you. Once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter. I couldn't quite hear what he said, and I hope it doesn't matter because one day somebody oiled his little drilling motor and all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water. Newt Rubin. So here the poet in a poem, in these lines, closely observe the movement of the ceiling fan. So here the poet closely observe the movement of the ceiling fan. So whether it is noisy or whether it is chatter, okay, whether it is quiet. So here the poem opens with a personification of the fan being given human attributes such as ability to talk and chatter. So here poet comparing the talking fan because it is talking like human beings. So here I couldn't quite hear what he said and I hope it doesn't matter. So here poet does not hear what the fan was said to him. So here the poet calls the fans noisy and then an electrical chatter. Okay, the poet is unable to comprehend what exactly it means, and before the poet could succeed in decoding the mystery, somebody oiled its motor. So here poet said because one day somebody oiled his little drilling motor and all the mystery was spoiled, he ran as still as water. So ever since it functioned in such a smooth manner that no noise could be heard. So the talking fan fell silent. So there was a sound in a ceiling fan. So somebody will spread the oil to the motor and then it was a surprising happen thing. So the fan was ran as still as water means such a smooth way. The fan was going to run such a smooth way. So that wise it is comparing to the human being and the non-living thing of fan. Okay, so when the people have more knowledge, they are not able to spend the time on the talking. Okay, so in such a way, when we are spread the oil, when we are take care of the fan was not able to sound hard. Okay, so this was the poem of our day, and then you have to learn the poem and then write the poem in your homework book for one time. Thank you, children.